The see-through mode in Simulation Hub 2026 S1 redefines subsurface metrology by transforming complex backscatter electron (BSE) physics into a remarkably simple workflow. This mode eliminates tedious manual configuration, allowing users to build physical stacks through an elegant interface. Flexibility is at its core. You can dynamically define infinite dielectric layers over a target feature to rapidly prototype wafer architectures. A fully integrated material database instantly populates critical atomic properties, stripping mathematical guesswork from the experience. A standout innovation is the live 2D stack visualizer, which mathematically renders your exact physical configuration to provide immediate geometric validation. For SEM tool configuration, the mode offers extreme flexibility in defining primary beam energy, current, and dwell time. However, the true crowning achievement is the advanced multivariable optimization engine. By pressing Run Optimization, a sophisticated algorithm sweeps the physics equations to find the maximum signal-to-noise ratio, SNR. It intelligently balances parameters against an exponential efficiency decay penalty to prevent electron dose saturation. Within seconds, it outputs a machine-ready recipe guaranteed to meet the Rose criterion. By automating this calibration, the engine saves tremendous amounts of costly fab time previously wasted on live silicon trial and error. You can inject these AI-optimized settings directly into the BSE simulation engine to plot continuous SNR visibility curves. A secondary axis dynamically plots the required dwell time, giving absolute clarity on throughput. With straightforward JSON state saving, this innovative powerhouse empowers engineers to optimize metrology tasks virtually, saving massive amounts of time.